Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Khalid, and in this tutorial I want to share knowledge on how you can build your memory. Yes, so tips on memory building during your exam is the lesson all about. In this tutorial I want to share 10 tips or 10 areas or 10 items in the area of memory building. During exams, developing the memory or retaining the information is very important. So here are the 10 items which will be helpful to you in your exams. If you are a teacher, if you are a student, this tutorial is very informative. So first is use association to remember facts. This can be visual clues or numeric. Number 2, break down numbers into groups to remember them. Number 3, chunk or group items together in order or list things alphabetically. Number 4, use acronyms to remember key sentences, first letter of each word. Number 5, exercising your brain will improve neural pathways. Learn something different and difficult. Get some exercise, even a brisk walk will help your brain focus. Get enough sleep, your brain will operate at full capacity. Sleep is very important, friends. Test yourself, track your progress and fill in the gaps. Wordplay, a vivid phrase with humor. Color will help you recall. Eat well. Pick foods rich in omega-3, colorful fruits and vegetables. So these are the 10 tips or 10 items which can help building your memory during exam and before the exams as well. The idea behind this tutorial is that you should focus on consistency, not one time applying these tips or tricks. If you are consistent, if you are following it on a regular basis, then these tips or items will help you to develop your or build your memory. If you are not doing it on a regular basis, it will not help you to build your memory. I wish you all the best for your exams. I wish you all the best for your future projects, assignments. If you need any help, please do contact me on teachingandcoaching2020@gmail.com. Please share this tutorial in your social circle. I hope you have found this tutorial informative. Thank you so much.